is Monday, February 2nd, 2026. I'm on the roof of the Dunklee family, where I'm going to be doing a repair attempt on that wind creased and damaged shingle. We see a large crease throughout the entirety of the middle of it. First, what I'm going to want to do is get you guys set up to view the work. That should give everybody an appropriate viewpoint. Gotta be careful, it's a little steep here today. Alright, what we have here is we have a dimensional shingle. The shingle starts here, the shingle ends here. Shingle's got a large crease through the middle. I'm going to use a soft nose putty knife to make sure that it's completely separated from the books beneath it. That's good. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the books above it. Alright, now I'm going to remove the shingle from the decking. Start on one end. Just work our way across. Now we'll do the fasteners that are in the back. Alright, we have our shingle removed, so I'll just set this off to the side. Now I'm going to do an investigation of the underlayment, making sure that we can fully complete a reinsertion. Now I'm going to take the shingle, I'm going to line the shingle back up into place, and then I'm going to work to get it re-lined up. Alright, we have our shingle back in place. Now I'll be taking my roofing snake, recommended, so that we don't have to lift these books more than necessary to get an appropriate nail strike. 1.25 inches per code roofing nails. What I'm going to want to do is start on one end. I'll start over here on this end. Make sure we're clearly lined up in the nail strip, that we're straight. Oh, I can see this book is falling apart right here. That's not good. That's one. Steepness of this roof. And the granule loss has got me slipping around a lot. There we go. We're lined up in the nail strip. We are straight. Oh, you can just hear the granules pouring down when you hit that hammer. And we'll do one over here on the very end. Make sure we're in the nail strip straight. We are. Alright, we do have our shingle back in place. It is reinserted. However, I can see a lot of things that have transpired in the reinsertion. I notice here, fully delaminated tooth. We have separation of the bottom layer, this layer, all the way across. This tooth is also separated. The separation of the double layer extends under here. Stops about right here. This book is now falling apart because of the shingle removal of this shingle. We see this tooth is delaminated. This tooth is also delaminated. This book will eventually fall apart. The reason why the teeth being delaminated is a problem is books are built in two parts. You've got the top part which goes under the shingle. It has the teeth that come down and hold on to the bottom layer. These teeth are no longer holding on to the bottom layer, and we see a large separation. We could probably just, this thing just pulls out, see? this entire book has completely fallen apart. That's from the removal of this shingle. Because of these conditions, I'd probably be chasing this all the way up to the ridge. I'd have to replace this shingle. It's very likely that it would do it to this one as well, and then this one. This would continue all the way up the slope. For these purposes and these reasons, I deem this roof irreparable.